Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and I'm going to tell you what I am drinking today. What am I drinking today? Today, I am drinking Capitoline Rosé Vermouth. Vermouth is an aromatized wine, right? Sure is, and as well, it's almost always fortified. Okay, so what's the big deal here? Well, to start, Capitoline is made right here in the great city of Washington, D.C. It's a partnership between Chef Peter Paston and Kat Hamidi. And they are some of a handful of people in the United States making really great vermouth. This rosé vermouth is made with baking spices, citrus, and cinchona bark, which makes it a little bitter. What do you do with it? Well, all you really need with Capitoline Rosé is some soda water and ice. I bet it's good on the rocks too. Yep, definitely on the sweeter side by itself, but delicious indeed. As well, you can also substitute it for sweet vermouth in any cocktail. Like this one, as recommended on their website. This is an Adonis. A classic Adonis cocktail is equal parts dry sherry, sweet vermouth, and 2 dashes of orange bitters. The Adonis has always been one of my favorite cocktails with the nuttiness and that oily feel of the sherry. This rosé vermouth is bringing a lot of like really big red berry flavors. The citrus, that bitterness kind of cleans it out on the finish. Lots of really beautiful purple flower notes as well. Really pretty on the nose and on the palate. I didn't even know rosé vermouth was a thing. Sure, it's certainly a lesser known style of vermouth, but Capitoline does also make a dry vermouth, a white vermouth, and Tiber, which might be your favorite substitute for Campari. In summary, find yourself some Capitoline Rosé, and you'll never look at a bottle of soda water the same again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what he's drinking next.